If your microwave oven turntable is not turning, here are the top 5 most probable causes. The motor that rotates the turntable could be defective. You can test the motor with a multimeter to determine if the component has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the motor. If the motor tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. It's also possible that the drive coupling that rotates the glass tray may be stripped or broken. You can gently pull the coupling off of the motor shaft to inspect it for any damage, and replace it with a new one if necessary. The glass tray support could be damaged as well. This part is an easy one to replace. It's also possible that the turntable's on-off button is malfunctioning. If this is the case, the entire touchpad and control panel will need to be replaced. Although it is not a common problem, the main control board may be defective. You should first confirm that the turntable motor is not getting power and the other components are intact before replacing the control board. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs, but since the high voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your microwave oven.